Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to do this simple festive nail art. So I'm starting off my manicure with this glitter polish as base polish, and point to be noted, I have already applied base coat. I have applied one coat of this glitter polish as base and then applied this glitter polish on sponge and then dabbed on my nails. This nail polish was not giving me maximum coverage even after applying 4 coats, that's why I had to use sponge method. Also, no one likes to use 4 coats of a nail polish. After cleaning my skin, I have applied a thin coat of top coat to smooth the surface. Now I'm going to continue my nail art tutorial on my ring fingernail. Those were backup clips of actual nail art tutorial which I have lost. Over this glitter base, I have stamped white snowflakes on all over my nails. Then I applied one coat of that same glitter polish over stamping nail art to smooth the edges of snowflakes. This is how the snowflakes look after overlapping them with glitter polish. That clip had some sort of issues with my lighting setup. Please don't mind it, and I'm extremely sorry for that. Over snowflakes, I have drawn a Christmas tree. Blue Christmas tree. At first I tried to stamp Christmas tree, but it was kinda see-through, so I had applied blue polish over it and then applied a rhinestone on top of Christmas tree. I have also stamped a blue snowflake on my pinky fingernail. Also, I have applied blue polish on my index and middle fingernail. Finally, finishing off my manicure with a glossy top coat to make my manicure long lasting and to give it a beautiful shine. Surprisingly, this time this top coat did not smudge my manicure. Usually it do smudge my nail arts. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share my video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye and happy holidays.